Hey everybody, we just got done drawing a... What did we get done drawing?
Penguin!
What kind of penguin?
Cute!
It is a cute penguin. We got done drawing a holiday penguin with earmuffs and a scarf as requested by Noah B.
Yummy.
So this is our finished product and we're going to teach you how to do it too. Let's jump into it. Today we're drawing a penguin with earmuffs and a scarf
Yeah.
for the holiday season as requested by Noah, my 6-year-old.
Yeah.
Okay, so what we're going to start with is we're going to start up here kind of by the top.
Right
Okay?
here?
Yep, because this is going to be where his head is.
Right
Okay?
here?
Yep, so we're going to start a little off to the side and we're going to make...
Is it right here?
Yes. Start a little off to the side and we're going to make a big arch.
Wait.
Yep, you can make it lower. Perfect. I love it. Okay, and then now we're going to start a little bit on the outside of that arch, like that, about right there. And we're going to do a little dip.
That can put dot is it right here?
Yep, you got it. And then make a little dip like that. Perfect. I actually like that a little bit better, and I'll tell you why in a little bit. Okay, and then right here on the inside, okay, so here's the circle that we started with, or the line that we started with. We're going to go in a little bit, and we're going to go on the inside, and then about where the middle of that circle is, we're going to go down like that.
Well, how to do that?
Just try your best. You
Right
can do
here?
it. Yeah. And then go down like that to the middle. Okay, stop. Perfect. Okay, now on this side, same thing that we did over here. We're going to copy or mirror over here.
Based on a connect.
No, it's not going to connect.
Oh,
Just like that.
right here?
Perfect, right there. Okay, now we're going to do a little arch. Starting right here and go up.
Up.
Yep, and this is going to be his little smiley face on his beak. And then we're going to do another smiley face. Dips lower. Look at that. Nice. And now, in this little area right here, we're going to do the eyes. We're going to do a circle here and a circle here. And then we're going to do 2 more little circles on the inside for the reflection.
Yeah, I know. And fill it all up.
And fill everything up except for the little circles.
Yeah, I know.
You're like, I've done this before.
I've done this before. Yep, I done.
Nice.
That looks actually kind of cuter than mine.
I think yours is my favorite. Okay, so that is our penguin's face. Now we're going to do the earmuffs. A big bump on the side right there.
Right here?
And a big bump on the side right here, on the other side.
It looks kind of like a space penguin.
Space penguin? That's kind of cool. Remember what Space Penguin's from?
King of Tokyo.
King of Tokyo. That's one of our favorite board games to play as a
Right.
family. Yep. And then right here, we're going to do an arch to connect the two. And then another one that runs parallel that line.
Right here?
Yep, just like that.
It kind of looks like its head.
I love that, but it won't at the end when we color it
Wait,
all in.
I'm gonna do it a little fluffy.
Yeah, you could do a little bit fluffy if you want. Okay, now that we got the penguin's head and also the earmuffs, we're gonna do the scarf. So because we did this line going past where the head is, now we could start right here and go like this to make it look a little bit more cartoony and 3D.
Like that?
Yep.
I don't want to make it for you.
That's okay. Do whatever you want. And then we'll go out here and stop right there.
Out here. And stop.
Yep, you went all the way, which is totally fine. And we could fix that. And now what I like to do here is go down and down. Connect that. And you could do that down, right there where you were. Perfect. And down and connect it. Nice. And then behind that, go down.
Okay. And
Yep. And out and connect.
out and connect.
Nice. That looks awesome. See, it looks like two pieces of the scarf and one's behind the other one. See that? And then this, I'm just going to connect it like this. I might fix this a little bit later with my paint markers so that I cover up this line here. All right, now I could finish my scarf. But you already finished yours. You're one step ahead of me. Okay, now we got the penguin, the earmuffs, the scarf. Now we're going to draw his little flippers. Yeah, his wings are like little flippers because penguins can't fly, but they swim and they use their wings to swim. Flippers. Okay, so we're going to start right here and right here.
Here?
Yep, on the inside, not on the edge of the scarf, but a little bit on the inside. So I like to put a little dot
Right
there,
here?
and a little dot right there.
Dad, right here.
Yep. And then what we're going to do is we're going to do a little slide out. Good. And the other one, a little slide out. Perfect. And then slide in. Slide in.
Right here.
Mm-hmm.
Slide in.
Yep.
And right here.
Mm-hmm.
Slide in.
Nice. Okay, now we get to do, remember how we did a circle that goes up like that at the very beginning?
Yeah.
We're going to do the same thing right here to connect his armpit to his other armpit, but we're going to go down like this. Okay, watch, I'll show you.
Wait, is that his body?
That's his body. Nice. And we're going to do another swoop down like this.
Or swoop
Swoop.
down. Oh.
Now remember these little dots that we made down here?
Yeah.
Okay, now we're going to do this, use these dots as reference for his feet. Okay, so we're going to start at this dot and go outwards like this and go bump, bump, bump.
Okay. Bump, bump, bump.
And out here, bump, bump, bump.
Bump, bump, bump.
And look, there is our penguin. Yours looks so good. I like how you did the fluffy on each side. I didn't do the fluffy. So you could put little designs in his scarf
Yeah.
and on his earmuffs when we're coloring. You can make it as creative or plain as you want.
Time to close your Sharpie.
It's time to close our Sharpies. And we're gonna speed up the video now, but you guys can color it however you want.
Yeah.
Okay, let's color it. Okay, give a thumbs up. We hope you guys had fun, and we'll see you next time.